Hello again, everyone. This is part 2 of probability and odds. It's a word problem. We're going to use experimental probability, and we're also going to make predictions. Let's read it. Today, you attempted 50 free throws and made 32 of them. Use experimental probability to predict how many free throws you'll make tomorrow if you attempt 75 free throws. Okay, so this is about basketball. You're shooting the ball through the hoop. You had a total of 50 tries, and out of the 50, you made 32. So let's go and write our probability formula. The probability of an event occurring is equal to the number of successes over the number of trials. So in the case of this problem, the probability of making a free throw by the data that is given to us, the number of successes that this person had is 32 because he made 32 out of the 50 trials that he had. So how many trials did he have? He had 50. So 32 over 50, I can reduce that and make this 16 over 25 if we divide by 2 in the numerator and in the denominator. So here is the probability, 16 over 25. Now, since I'm going to make a prediction about how many free throws will he make tomorrow, I'm going to leave this as a fraction because it's going to be more useful this way than if I turn it into a decimal. So now they're asking you tomorrow you're going to have 75 trials. Today you had 50. Out of the 50 you made 32. Tomorrow you're going to have 75. How many of those 75 will you make according to this probability of the amount you made yesterday? So now we're going to make a prediction about how many you will probably make tomorrow if you had more trials. So what you do is you set up a proportion. That's right. Well, 16 out of 25 was the probability of making 32 out of 50 free throws yesterday. Tomorrow, how many will you make out of the 75 total trials? That's what they're asking. And notice we've set up a proportion, and you're very familiar with this, right? You know how to set up a proportion. You're using yesterday's statistics or yesterday's probability to predict tomorrow's free throws, okay? So how do we solve this? Well, you know we cross multiply, and we will have 25x is equal to 1,200. And then we divide both sides by 25. X is equal to 48. 48 what? Those are 48 free throws made. Free throws made out of the 75 tries. Okay? That's what it means. And there you have it. We made a prediction that according to the probability yesterday where he made 32 out of 50, tomorrow we predict that if he gets 75 chances of throwing this ball, out of the 75, he will make 48 of those free throws, okay? I hope this example helps. And for part 3 of this lesson, I will send you a link to a very nice video I found online from a fellow teacher, and I loved it so much, I'm going to have you watch her video instead of me making one. And I hope this helps you understand a little bit about probability and odds. So part 3 of this lesson will be on odds. Odds in favor, odds against. I'll see you then.